Students, today we are starting with class 7th geography chapter number 1, and the name of the chapter is our environment. Today we are going to learn about environment. Environment means our surrounding. Whatever things or whatever the resources or the things available in our surrounding comprises our environment. So we talk about environment. Human beings Human beings and other living organisms live on the earth. The favorable conditions that make life possible on the earth form the environment. Okay? Land, water, and air together with all the living organisms like plants and animals comprise or makes up our environment. So we talk about environment. An environment includes all living and non-living things with which an organism may interact with. So the term environment comes from the French word environner, which means to surround. Everything around us, for example, things, places, everything, nature, people, etc., comprises human made and natural things. They all add up to our environment. It means everything which surround us, whether they are man-made things, human-made things, or the natural things, all are add up to our environment. Now let's proceed. So our environment is made up of different components, right? These components can be classified into two broad categories: natural environment and human made environment. So if the question comes, what are the two components of the environment, what would be the answer? First is natural environment and second is human made environment. So now we'll talk about natural environment. Natural environment includes all the gifts of nature. It means whatever things or the resources gifted to us by nature, like land, water, air, plant, and animals, form a part of the natural environment. It includes both biotic components and biotic components and abiotic components. Biotic components, as a name includes the word bio. Bio means consist of life. So biotic components are those components of the nature which consist of life. It means, for example, plants, animals, all the living beings comes under biotic components. If we talk about abiotic components of the natural environment, abiotic means which doesn't have life. It means we are talking about non-living organisms or the things. So non-living things are those abiotic components, those things which comes under abiotic component. Example: land, air, rock, stone, rivers, mountains, etc. Now let's talk about the domains of natural environment. If we talk about type of natural environment, so there are two components or types of natural environment: biotic and abiotic. If the question comes related to domains or realms, REALMS, realms. So if the question comes regarding domains and realms, there are four domains: atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. Now let's come to domains. First we are discussing about lithosphere. Lithos itself mean land or rock. Okay, so the outermost solid layer of the earth, this is earth, suppose, and the outermost solid layer of the earth, this is the outermost solid layer of the earth, consisting of soil and rock material, is called lithosphere. It includes not only the land surface but also the ocean floor. The term lithosphere means rocky crust. So, the rocky crust on the earth is known as lithosphere. The average thickness of the lithosphere is about 100 kilometer. Okay, and it has been found that the thickness of the earth crust is greater where the continent exists, about 32 kilometer, as compared to the ocean floors, which is about 8 kilometer. So the lithosphere is made up of various type of rocks and minerals. It has mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, rivers, and oceans. Lithosphere provides land for building houses, roads, factories, and also for agriculture. We also get various minerals from it. So here I would like to show you the diagram related to four domains of the environment, and the diagram is here. We can see this diagram: atmosphere, hydrosphere, the watery part of the earth's surface, water in all forms comprise hydrosphere. Lithosphere, you can see, this is lithosphere. Biosphere comprise lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. When all these three spheres interact with each other, that comprise of biosphere. Biosphere means living things or living organisms.